So now that we have some students in our classroom, now let's have a look at what the user interface looks like from the student's perspective. So I've signed in here to my student's Gmail, and we can see here that I've received an email that says class invitation, IELTS prep course from student. And now we see the reason why I like this, because in the previous example we saw, oh, I could send this link and then I have to write a whole email around it. And that could be ideal if you do want to give specific instructions. However, I don't have any specific instructions other than to send a nice professional email to my students to give them an invitation to enter the class. So this email suits perfect, and there's even just a button to make things nice and easy for the student. They just click join, and now you see I'm brought directly to the class. And again, I'm given this little guided tour right away. As a teacher, it told me I can create an announcement. As a student, it's telling me I can create a post, share information and questions with my class, in this case directly with the teacher. Notice also here that from the student's perspective, there are only three options. There's classwork, where my teacher will share class notes, lesson plans, assignments, etc. And I can see who my teacher is. And if other students join the class, they will appear here as well. And it will give me the option to email them, for example. Thank you for watching this video e-learning course. If you find it helpful, please do like, share, and hit the subscribe button to my YouTube channel. It really helps things to grow. Thank you very much.